Anaya. So today I'm going to unbox a Junior Easel Art Set. So here's the front, here's the side, and this is the back. Alright, so before I open the box, I'm gonna tell you what's inside the box. So there's 10 acrylic paints, 5 paintbrushes, 2 printed canvases, 2 more printed canvases, and 1 tabletop easel, 1 paint knife, 1 paint palette, 1 color mixing chart. Alright, so just in case, I'll show you the front, side, and the back again. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the other side, and this is the back. Alright, so I just had to pull it from here, I guess. I accidentally ripped the box. So here it is. It's in plastic. I just had to get it out. Alright, here it is. Alrighty, now I'll show you what they have. So here are 2 little canvases, 2 mini canvases. Here are 2 giant canvases. This is the canvas stand. Alrighty, put it here. This is a chart to mix the colors that you don't have. Let's see what's inside here. Open this box. Here are all the paints. We also have a paint palette. And also a paint knife. We have 5 paintbrushes, different. And also we have a plastic bag just in case if we have some trash left. Alrighty, so now we're gonna open the paint. This is literally so satisfying. Alright. This is titanium white, lemon yellow, vermilion, I guess, scarlet, ultramarine blue, I guess. Alright, so this is python cane blue, I guess. Emerald green, Viridane, I guess, burnt umber, and black. So these are the colors we have. But you can use this coloring chart to mix them. Alright, if you didn't know, verde means green in Spanish. And also, same with azul. Rojo tu. And amarillo means yellow. And blanco means white. Alright, and negro means black. Alright, so now I'm gonna put these in rainbow order. Then we're gonna set up the easel, which is right here. Start with the red, orange, yellow, green, green again, blue, blue again, which is a kind of purple, white, brown. Alrighty. Since they're now in rainbow order, I'll close the box and now set up the easel. Oops. Right here. The easel is right here. Now for the paint palette in front of it. And I will choose a canvas and leave a comment which canvas I should use. This one, this one, this one, or this one. Whoever has the most comments, I will do that one. Alright, now I'm really gonna open it. Alrighty. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this on the easel. And now this is the whole set. And also, if you want to buy this, you have to buy it from Michael's. And you might have to get it quickly, or else everyone will buy it and it'll be sold out. I hope you liked my video, and also on my next video I'm gonna make a part 2 and I'm gonna paint on this canvas. Alright, so this is the whole set of the art set. Please like and subscribe. I hope you liked my video. Bye!